Hey guys, today let's learn how to solve Capcut templates not showing on TikTok problem. So in the case that you're facing the issue that some of the Capcut templates is not necessarily showing on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve this problem step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so if you want to go ahead and basically solve this issue that your TikTok is not necessarily showing the Capcut templates whenever you go ahead and scroll through the TikTok application, but basically for those who are avid users on the TikTok application, you will also receive the prompt to use the specific edit option when there is a video that has been edited on Capcut on the TikTok application. I'm going to go ahead and find and locate a specific example to show you guys what I'm talking about. And as you see, we do have one example right here, and it also shows the option to, well, redirect you to the Capcut application and try out this specific template. Now, if you cannot see this option, most likely the reason behind that is because the specific user who posted this video has not shared the video that they have edited on Capcut directly on TikTok. They may have saved the video first and then posted it on TikTok. Now, if you come encounter with a user like this, they may have posted this video directly from the Capcut application and using the share option to share it to the TikTok application directly. Now, if you are still facing issues and you still cannot locate this specific example on videos that you want to go ahead and try out on Capcut, what we can do to solve that issue is to double check if we have the latest version of TikTok. So go ahead and search for the TikTok application on your app store, and I want you to basically proceed and look if you have an update available. Now, if you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that you could solve this problem and get, of course, more features to the application. Now, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.